I'm Jen, the owner of Rustic Rehabs. I like to paint furniture and decor and teach you how to do the same and use old stuff. Let's head to the Goodwill and see what we can find today. This haul tree was cute, but we're going to skip it. Not what I'm looking for today. Here's the new perks. I actually am excited about these. I can't wait to try them the next couple of weeks. This I think is from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to put it in my kid area. It's not going to be a huge money maker, but it will look cute. Same with this little pig in the boots. I mean, look at how cute she is. This, somebody created a shadow box. I bought this for $3 as inspiration so that I can maybe create a class where we do something like this. This I'm going to try to save. It's $1 and I'm going to paint it black on the edges and clean it up. This is just gorgeous how it is, and it was originally $80. I did have to touch up some scuffs in it, and it's priced pretty good. Make sure you stick around to the end. I'll be talking about a new option for all of you remote peeps to craft with me. Got out of my comfort zone this week and went to the Milwaukee Best Of with the Shepherd Express with my hubs, so that was fun. And then we sent home a lot of furniture with our customers. This was Jasmine's, this was Cindy's, this was Carl and Kim's, and this was Carl and Kim's. We had a holiday celebration at Crystal's with the team. This is Finley, and we started to clean up for the new year. It is a lot. We had more than a car full that needed to go to the Goodwill. Lori helped me clean and organize, and then she took all of this to the Goodwill, and we're still working on more. My buddy came over with his truck and backed it up the hill multiple times while we loaded more stuff up from Christmas. And Crystal and I took down the Santa display. This is always very bittersweet to me. The store never looks better than it does at Christmas time. And I have the same sad feeling that you guys do when you take down your Christmas at home. So we're working hard to put colorful stuff in and get on with the new year. This is a super quick shop this week. I think it was there 15 or 20 minutes because I had an appointment to clean out the back room with Lori. So we didn't get a ton of stuff, but what we did find I really liked. And I also don't have any thrift flips to show you this week because we spent so much time working on cleaning up and putting Christmas away. Which reminds me, today is the last day of our Christmas clearance. Everything that's left is 70% off. Look under the collections in the holiday. So this is a cute little sign that I bought, and we'll put that away for next year. I say you can look at your phone when you're watching my videos. Otherwise, yes, do other stuff. I also wanted to take a minute to say, everybody in LA, I am thinking about you. We have family there as well, so I've been watching very closely, and so far my family is safe. But I know a lot of you are not. So please take good care, and I am sending you all the love. Oh, I had forgotten about these until I just was watching this now. These lamps were amazing. They were $25 each. If they're still there, I might have to go grab them this week. I highly doubt they will be there. They were very cool. Buying Christmas while I'm packing away other Christmas? Why, yes, I will. These were 99 cents. I think these will be super cute for Easter time. And these I'm going to put away for next year. They look like trees to me. On Wednesday, we crafted live, and I made this noodle board with this Roycycled paper, and I talked about our virtual open paint, which starts in February. For more information, see my website and look under collections and virtual paint. I would love to craft with you a couple of times a month on the regular. And if you're in the Milwaukee area, this is your year. I've got 9 paint a piece of furniture classes set up, And don't forget, every Thursday night is open paint, so get on in there from 4 to 7 and paint with us. You guys, it's really fun. You'll be glad you did. It's just 10 bucks an hour. I use all my supplies. Here's Steph and I this week. Okay, he is so cute. He's definitely getting put away till next year. I feel like I might have had these. I feel like I might have flipped these candlesticks and somebody had them and donated them. I'm not sure, but it's highly possible. This was a really cute little Noah's Ark thing, but the giraffe was broke in multiple places. That made me sad. So I left it. I haven't been buying kitchen stuff the last couple of years because I don't really have a kitchen section in my shop, so the stuff doesn't sell. But I did just finish this kitchen cart named Lori, and she is super cute and available if you need one. This will be interesting. I thought I was going to be able to remove these little frames and use them on something else, but I was not paying a lot of attention because I was in a hurry. So we'll see what I end up doing with it. Right now it's sitting under my table and I keep kicking it with my feet. That is not the way to get it flipped. Who feels this way? Who's a cat family? We are. We have a cat and a dog. Equal pet opportunity at our house. They're both pains in the butt, and we love them. We're nearing the end here. I ended up with a cart sort of full and some really good deals though. I had $8 in rewards, so I got all this for 49 bucks. Thanks for watching. I'd love it if you could give me a thumbs up and come see me in the store. Take good care.